ovation, 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 ovation. I love it, 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 I love it,
Okay, I was about to wrap up the Supra. I figured I'd give you a walk around and lay out what we have changed here. On the fuel side, we went with the radium fuel rail, the ID 1300X injectors with a -8 feet -6 return. You'll see on the back of the intake manifold there the air motive regulator that we added. And also on the back of the charge pipe, I had to add a bung for the new intake air temperature sensor, which I'll show you that now. You can see right there the bung for the IAT, tucked away down low, and also the pair of AEM map sensors. One's for the gauge and one is for the actual motor. And move over, there's the air motive, which you can see the gauge if you lean over. And you can also see we added the 3-port boost solenoid, which is wired into the ECU, and also changed over to the 46mm wastegate with the push lock vacuum line kit. And that's basically it for this round of changes. That's basically it for the Supra. I'm going to go ahead and get the quick jack slid out from under it. They should be here in about 30 minutes. It's super early Monday morning to get it loaded up and head it back home. So we'll move from this on to, we have the pair of Mustangs coming, the EcoBoost Mustangs this week. And also we'll get over to the R32 project, or I'm sorry, R33 project. So that'll come apart today as well. And next I'll show you a close-up of the Camaro fuel system. We're doing a big fuel system on it to go with the Magnuson supercharger. So again, thanks for checking it out, and I'll get you some more shown real quick.
ovation, 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 ovation. I love it, I love it, I love it. Ovation, 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 ovation. I love it, I love it. Ovation.